I feel sorry for people that don't drink. As soon as they wake up in the morning, that's as good as they're gonna feel all day. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. That's another quote from cocktails, drinking, and having fun. It's all about fun. And that quote is attributed to sources. I've seen either Frank Sinatra or Dean Martin, but either one, they are both guys who have been known to party. So today, as you can see from the sign, we are going to get back to the shot shootout. We have some more to do, and let's see what we're going to do today. We've done 4 rounds so far. We've announced the results on a couple of them, but I think whichever, they're 2, 3, and 4. They're 3 and 4, which you can check the link somewhere for the shootout. You can still check those out and vote for your favorite. Oh, maybe this is a sign. These are the 2 drinks. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, this is a good one. A woo woo. Haven't had one of those in a long time. And oh, another classic. We've got, I mean, they're all classics in here. A B52. So let me get set up for those and then we'll get to it. We are back, ready to go. Let me grab some ice and we'll get started. These are 2 real simple shots. The first one I will make in this. And it really, you know, let me see, does this? And I'd like for you to see what I'm doing. Does this fit on here? Yeah, I guess we can do that. It'll probably make a mess, but you know, if you're not making a mess, you're not having fun. Woo woo, real simple, 3 things, and it's 1 each of vodka and peach schnapps, followed by 2 parts of cranberry. Now you can up that as much as you need. Like if you're making pitchers, we talked about this before. We used to, back in my bartending days and going out days, we used to get pitchers of shots, which was basically just a big mixer glass. But that's really all it is, just 2 things. And then I'm going to shake this over the sink because I don't trust this seal. But you still gotta dance. Pretty good. It's not leaking. So let's get a glass. What glass do we want for this one? I guess we'll do it in this one. Real simple, real easy. Ingredients you probably have at your home bar. Ready to go. And today's first drink in the shot shootout, the woo woo. Okay, next up, I'm going to make it in, actually, I'm going to make 2 of them. No, I'll just make 1 for now. And this is a B52. Now this is one of those layered shots. We don't normally do them because they can be a little bit fussy, but this one shouldn't be too bad. It's 3 things: Kahlua, Irish cream, and Grand Marnier. Equal parts of each. So I'm going to do 1/3, thereabouts, of Kahlua. And the problem with my Irish cream is that it's in this container. I'm going to try to do this so it doesn't So it just goes down the side here. Let's see, how can I do this so you can see? Spilling it on the outside. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess. Whoa, whoa. But into everyone's life, a little bit of rain must fall. But that actually didn't turn out too bad. So let me give this a little rinse. And then finally, some Grand Marnier, some liqueur made with cognac and orange liqueur, as opposed to Cointreau, which is orange. I think it's just like an orange flavored liqueur. This is brandy with orange liqueur. Now again, I'm going to go down the spoon here, and I think I don't remember if I wow, that turned out not too bad at all. If I gave you the chart that shows the specific weights of different liquors, so if you want to do stupid shit like this and layer your drinks, you need to know those weights. So I will, if I didn't already, I mean, I probably will attach it in every one that has a layered drink in it. There you have it, a B52. All right, guys, there's our 2 drinks for today. And before we get to it, I just want to remind you, this is a fun place to hang out. If it's your first time here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to the Grand Theft Pub Underground. Turn on notifications, hit the bell. That way when the bar's open, you can come see what we're doing, have a good time with us. And if it's your coming back to see us again, thanks for coming back. You know it's a good time, and hope to see you again and again for more of the Shot Shootout and all the other fun things we do here. And with that being said, it's time for Ready, Drink. All right, which one am I going to try first? I think I'm going to try this one first because, you know, I don't like to do sweet and fruity after creamy. So this is the Woo Peach Schnapps, Vodka, and Cranberry. Cheers. I mean, it's good. I don't know what else to tell you. It's fruity. It's sweet. It's fun. It's not too strong because you're half the amount of juice as you are to alcohol. So, and the good thing about this is you can make it by the pitcher. These layered ones you can't make by the pitcher because you have to do this precious layering that's a pain in the butt. That's why I don't do them in the Shootout, because they're kind of a pain. But people like them, and it's kind of fun to look at. But, excuse me, Kahlua, Irish cream, and Grand Marnier, probably a good combination. We shall see. I don't think I've had one of these in probably 25, 30 years. But that streak ends right now. Cheers. Definitely too big of a shot. But that was for demonstration purposes. I wanted you to make sure you see it. So I do that for you. I took one for the team. But it's good. I mean, I'm not a big Kahlua guy, but the Baileys and the Grand Marnier really toned down the coffee. I didn't really get the predominant flavor is Baileys. Excuse me. You get the creaminess from the Baileys. The coffee, the Kahlua kind of gives it a little richness. But the thing is that Grand Marnier is the first thing that goes in, so it hits the back of your throat. And you get that brandy, a little bit of that brandy burn. but it's a nice drink. Yeah, it's going to be a tough one, so I need your help. Make sure, go out. Go to your favorite watering hole. Get these made up for you and try them. See which one you like better, and then come back and tell me. You do it in the comments below. You can do it wherever I post. Wherever you see me, however you feel you can get a hold of me. Vote for your favorite. Which one of these two, the Woo Woo or the B52, moves forward in the shot shootout, and the other one is see ya, have fun, thanks for playing. And that's it, guys. Real quick one today, and glad to see you. Hope everyone's healthy, and we'll do some more fun stuff real soon. So make sure you come back again and again. And until then, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.